Three, two, one. Welcome to the Mike Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I'm the motivator. I'm the educator. I'm the person with his mic all in his grill. Motivator, baby. The money coach. We're going to talk about Amazon today, boy. We're going to talk about Amazon, the stock split. You know what I'm saying? Is investors out there making some money? I say, is investors out there making some money? Oh, you out there making some money? Holla, leave a comment, the like button, and subscribe. But let's get into the video, baby. We talking about Amazon. Okay, Amazon. If you didn't know, Amazon just had a stock split, baby. Okay, you don't know what a stock split is. Let's go and get some info in there. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to what is a stock split. Boom. Now, a stock split happens when a company increases the number of its shares, boost by stock's liquidity. Okay? Although the number of shares outstanding increased by a specific multiple, the total dollar value of all shares outstanding remains the same because a stock split does not fundamentally change the company's value, baby. Okay? So it does not change the value. Okay, then let's get into some news, you know what I'm saying? With the Amazon, you know. There we go, right there, bam. The Amazon stock split, okay? It did its thing today, you know. It went up to almost 2% for the day. And after hours, sitting at a little 33%, you know, after hours, but it's doing its thing, you know what I'm saying? Amazon stock, if you don't know what Amazon is, Amazon is a company, you know what I'm saying, that everybody uses. Everybody almost uses Amazon Prime. You know, the shipments that come to your day, the packages that people be stealing, you know. Everybody use Amazon Prime. Amazon is a big dog in the shipping industry, okay, the movie industry, the online streaming industry. So they got their hands tied into a lot of things. Transportation, okay, logistics. They the top dogs of logistics and online shopping. They up there with the streaming. So Amazon is doing their thing. But now let's get into the stock, you know, stock. Oh goodness, stock. Once they had that stock split, you see it right now. It's at 124, baby. 124 after hours. After the stock split, it came to about 122. And somewhere right now, 122 from the stock split. With over at 122 from the stock split. And you see, pre-market, start jumping on up in the 124s. Come on down there, you know what I'm saying? Did his thing for the day. And then just coasted on up there. Hit a high of $128.99, almost $130 on Amazon stock. Okay? Now, if you want to think about what is the analyst saying, is they still talking about buying? Okay, they are. Move myself out the way. Boom. But right here, you see right here the analyst, you got a strong buy, okay, for the analyst. And the price target of 178, you know. That's nice for Amazon, especially when it's sitting at 120 something right now. Okay, so what does this mean for investors with this stock split and everything? Now we talked about what stock split is, what Amazon is, and everything. Now we're gonna talk about what does this mean for investors, baby. Okay, this means big news for investors because before Amazon stock was sitting at almost $3,000, 2,000 something dollars, baby, just sitting there. You know what I'm saying? Amazon just. So a lot of people was like, man, I can't buy that. I don't want to buy that whole Amazon stock 3,000. I ain't got the money, you know what I'm saying, to afford that. So some people had to pump the brakes. You know what I'm saying? Like, hold on, I got nothing to be investing in Amazon, $3,000. But when you look at it, when it's that $120 something dollars. One more time, $120. You more likely to buy Amazon stock. Your mama more likely to buy Amazon stock. Your brother more likely now to buy Amazon stock. And a lot of people is more likely to buy Amazon stock now. Okay, especially with it doing like that. So that's just crazy. But now let's get into some news on what's going on with the stock split. Okay. Now we told you before that Amazon had a stock split and the shares will be traded on a 20-to-1. It was a 20-to-1 stock split and it was adjusted basis on the market and it opened on Monday. As I showed you in the chart earlier, the company announced the stock split in March earlier. I put a video about it. So if you stay up to date, hit that like button and subscribe because I'm letting you dropping them down now. And if you want to get into the game, the crypto game, the stock market game, Got some links in the description below. Okay, but that was Amazon stock split. They announced it, and it did pretty good for the stock split. But they got some other news too now. Now the CEO, the worldwide CEO, Consumer, leaves after 23 years in the game. And maybe he just retired. He was tired. It's time to go home. It's time to chill. You know what I'm saying? And maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But that's just something to keep in mind on what's going on with this Amazon stock. Now, do I think Amazon stock is a buy? Yes. Am I going to still buy the stock? Yes. Am I telling you to buy the stock? No. I am not no financial advisor. I am just here. The money coach, baby. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Entertainer, investor, options trader, and Xbox player, baby. Okay. But this is your news update on what's Amazon stock is and my price prediction on Amazon stock, since it's looking nice and lovely in that $124 range right there. I believe Amazon might bust that close to that 200 close. And say close, you know what I'm saying? Maybe might jump that 180, somewhere around there, depending on how things go with this inflation. Because we already hitting the inflation that's hurting us right now. Oh my goodness, the inflation is scary. Oh my goodness, it's scary out there. So, but I think Amazon stock gonna do good. I'm not no financial advisor, baby. I'm just a money coach here to motivate you to get into the game, the stock market game, the crypto game. We investing for financial freedom. Okay, not just investing for no reason, baby. Okay, but I'm up out of here. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Stay safe out there. You gotta stay safe. It's too many negative things going on. You know what I'm saying? You got the shooting, the killings, and man, and everything. So it's just too much going on. But we up out of here. Be blessed to invest in yourself.
Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, how that's some money talk. Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, how that's some money talk. Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk.